Hello, winter's here, and I'm going to give you my first winter hookup. Always keep a rain jacket in your car and in your poncho. It's a rain poncho in your car and in your purse. If you're riding a bus or anything, you never know when the rain's coming. And we know how it can come when we least expect it. These ponchos came in handy when we were in Las Vegas. Can you believe it? It rained in Las Vegas, and I happen to have one on hand. These ponchos is a thin plastic. They don't weigh nothing in your purse or in your car or when you're traveling. Nice plastic. I think you can get maybe one or two or even three squares out of them. This is a strong plastic. Goes over with a hood. And I don't think it'll mess up your hair. It didn't mess up mine. You know, I was just so happy not to be just in the rain. So this is a warm weather, but it's sprinkling, but you still don't want to be soaked and wet. Put these ponchos in your luggage, in your car, give them to your children. You know how they hate. The young ones, like teenagers, hate to wear coats. Give them a poncho.